Well, good Thursday morning, all you YouTubers. Hope everybody had a great middle of the week yesterday. Hope you had a fantastic day. Maybe you got some content created. But what I really hope is that you click that link for the Nomadic Income Summit and got to watch the speakers yesterday, because wow, there was some amazing information that came out of yesterday's speakers. One in particular discussed the Google ranking system and how he, over the years, has been able to develop a process to get ranked pretty quick with, websites, YouTube videos, things like that, using keywords and other functions. And that's something, again, too, that sometimes I struggle with. I don't understand sometimes why I do the same kind of process for every video, and one video will get 100 views, one will get 1 views. 1 views, that's not right, 1 view. But it's like, why? I do the titling, the description, the keywording, all that process is the same for every video. And sometimes I'll have 2 videos that aren't identical, but they're about the same topic. And one will do much better than the other, but it doesn't make sense because they're both pretty much using the same type of keywords and description structure. So I don't know. It's one of those oddities that I guess I just need to learn and figure out a better way of doing it. And I myself actually am considering getting into this guy's group and learning his strategy, because it just seems like it works. He does have a 14-day free trial to start off with, so I don't know if that's enough time to really properly test and get analytics to know like what's working and what doesn't. But I don't know, we'll see. There's another gentleman that was talking about print on demand and using Shopify and how he has that whole process. And both of these guys have 6-figure, businesses solely on YouTube and websites. And they pretty much can work wherever, whenever they want. And that's, man, isn't that what we want? This channel is dedicated to those that are over 40, 50, 60, the whole Gen X crowd that, yes, I'm a part of, to find the courage, the motivation, and the determination to actually start a YouTube channel and get one up and running, get your videos posted, and trying to figure out what your niche is and all of that. I do have a PDF in my description that is just a real quick kind of, here's how you find your niche, and here's some top 5 niches currently on YouTube. That's a pretty good little PDF. Again, it's not long, it's free, and it does help kind of guide you in determining what niche your content falls into. At least gives you some foundation, and that's kind of what this is all about. So I highly recommend go checking that out. But if you have not gotten tickets for this summit, I highly recommend that you go do that. I don't know how long the previous interviews from the other speakers are going to be available, but you still have the ability of watching today and tomorrow free. So go get your tickets. Tomorrow, actually Friday, I will be speaking on the summit, and it's all about this channel and how, my journey to helping others create content and start YouTube channels has developed. So you definitely want to check that out. This whole process is a marathon. It's not a sprint. Yes, some people have those moments of quick gain and, they skyrocket, a video that helps you kind of just kick it off. But most of the time, it's just slow and steady wins the race kind of thing. And I'm finding that to be true. Again, I still have times that I get really frustrated. Like the video I posted yesterday has 1 view on it. The video I posted prior to that has, I don't know, 15 or 20 views. And then I have one below that's got like 100 and some odd views. So again, why it's so sporadic, I don't know. I try to keep my processes and how I do things the same so that my results are the same or close to the same. But yeah, there's still things I'm learning as well. But I can tell you the amount I've learned just in the past year of doing this is been extremely helpful, and I want to pass that on to you. I want to pass on my mistakes to you so that hopefully you don't make them starting out and you can just be successful. So let me know in the comments, if you have any thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think about all this content and how I do these daily vlogs instead of the weekly talking head videos. I'm trying to really just kind of hone this content into what's going to be best for you and how you want to consume it. So let me know in the comment section. Would you rather have these daily vlogs, or would you rather have, a more in-depth weekly type talking head, podcast style video? I hope that I'm able to encourage those who are maybe on the fence or nervous or scared about creating their YouTube channel. I hope I can encourage you to, move forward with that. And I'd be willing to help any way that I can, free of charge. There's nothing to pay for here. I have considered doing like some one-on-one coaching, which at that rate would be, some cost involved with that. But I'm still not sure that I have the time to do that yet. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. I can probably change some things around and I could probably make that work. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'd be curious to know. But look, there's 2 days left, today and tomorrow, to catch the speakers on this Nomadic Income Summit, Creating an Extraordinary Life. And tomorrow I will be speaking on it, so you definitely want to check that out. I appreciate everybody who has commented and interacted and liked my videos, which, make sure you like this video. Make sure you give that big thumbs up. And I really just want success for all of my viewers. I want to be able to give enough information and guidance and encouragement that you can start a successful YouTube journey. It's never too late. You're never too old. The equipment you have is just fine. You just have to go out and do it. So, as always, grab that camera, hit that record button, and go crush this Thursday and create some content. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.